Alright. Conan Gamer here. I'm gonna unbox this. These small little micro machines from Driven. These are construction vehicles. As you can see there and there and there. Alright, let's open this up. I already opened up the tape part inside, and I got scissors still with me so I can take out the vehicles because they tape this like crazy. Alright, just open. Got it. Here it is. Alright, I'm gonna have to use the use my scissors to cut the tape. That right there. So situate it. There. Gotta get this tape off. Yeah, I like to use a lot of tape in this. Alright, trying to get it off. Oh my gosh. The amount of tape they use for this. A little bit overkill. I think I got it. Come on. Oh, I got it. My muscles. Oh my gosh. This tape. Oh. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, sheesh. Stupid company. Got it. Alright. And I got it. Look. So you can see, got this truck out. Oh, wow, look. The cement truck. Look at that. It moves. Look, it spins around. Oh, that's awesome. That's a cement truck. Alright. Check out the other construction truck, this crane truck. Here it is. It moves around. That's awesome. That's awesome. It moves around. And got this dump truck out. Nice color dump truck. Oh no, it broke. Oh great. Alright. Gotta put this door back on. Broke off. That was not from me, it was from the company. There, see? Already broken from the company, right from the factory. Quality control does not go to that truck. Alright, now let's get out this, this backhoe. Look at that, it's awesome, the backhoe. And look, oh, it's too bad that this thing doesn't move, but this thing part moves up and down. Up and down like that. That's a backhoe. There's the backhoe. Let's get out the steamroller. It's half steamroller and half of the wheel like this. So it was like that. And here's the bulldozer. Right there. That is awesome. Nice little bulldozer. And the wheel doesn't move, the shovel doesn't move up and down, but that's okay. The wheels move there. Like that. And this thing goes down like that. And that's it. That's what I got in this one. I like it. I like this cement truck. It's awesome. The dump truck, I don't know why the back door is broken on it, but I didn't do that. It was from the factory. Man, this one's awesome. I like these. I like this train truck. Watch. Move the crane up. Oh, it doesn't move up, but it moves around like that. And like that. That moves around again to the front. Like that. I'm not sure if it moves up. Oh, it does. Look at that. Moves up. Like that. And you can, like, fix things. Like that. There, I want to show you this. This is, all for me for now. It's Combat Gamer signing off. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit the like button.